Hi! Today I want to show you 4 simple exercises to practice the most common 7th chord used in jazz standards, like major 7, major 7, dominant 7, minor 7 and half diminished. We'll work on both hands, coordination and inversions, so you can use these chords more freely when you play. All examples are written down in sheet music, so you can download them for free from the link in the description below. Let's check it out. For the first exercise, I'll play each chord with inversions, up and down in unison. This is a great warm-up and a good way to really learn the sound of each chord. Now, the right hand plays the chord melodically and the left hand plays it harmonically, as a block. After a moment, the left hand starts a bit earlier, 1/8 note before. This is a great exercise for your brain. Then, switch the roles of the hands. Here I keep the same idea, but the left hand plays the chord in a more broken way. First the outer notes, then the notes in between, moving through all inversions. In the last exercise, everything stays the same, but I add more rhythmic variation inspired by a Latin feel. It helps you get a better groove and makes the exercise more fun. That's it for today. If you want to improve your jazz harmony and coordination, this is a great daily workout. Don't forget to subscribe, enjoy your practice, and let me know how it goes.